Hey YouTubers, Hike with Mike here, of course. And it's another time for another adventure. Camping with Campfire Steve. Fire break camp. Should be a good time. And the warm weather's back. Well, we hit a snag here on the trail, getting wet, which I wasn't expecting because I normally like the swamp hiking, but Campfire Steve's gonna give it a try.
I'm gonna end up with wet feet. I don't know if I want to go to Beef O'Brady's with wet feet.
Yeah.
Because that log's floating. That's not on the ground. See it move?
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't need wet socks this early in the day.
And you can see over here that you wanted to take a video how fast the runoff is here.
Yeah.
So, surprising.
That's why Swift Mud owns this.
And
Full of water.
this is normally really dry. Look at this though, there's some cool fish in here. You can see how clear the water is.
It's all spring water.
Yep.
We'll go to the ponds on the other side then.
Alright, we'll see if we can find a way around here. I know normally I would splash right in, but
yeah,
it's getting late in the day. I have one pair of hiking shoes. But it's nice out here. This camping place is more closer to urban areas, which, you know, I tend to not really like. So we're through here with a power line grid going through there. But we'll find some adventures, find a little bit of country out here close to the city. Well, this is a pretty pond here. There's a lot of ponds here, but this one's really nice. Hey, Campfire Steve.
Yeah.
Did you bring a fishing pole?
Yes.
Alright, I'm sure he'll be up here at dawn fishing. But it's a nice day. Really warm for once. So that's good. You know, the great naturalist Henry David Thoreau said, ponds and lakes are a mirror for the sky. And that's always good medicine. What's that over there?
I don't know. We got us a outlaw camp.
Yep. Dang.
What happened to the person that was inside?
Yeah.
Looks like a bear got it.
3-person dome tent. Ozark Trail.
Yeah,
Huh.
ripped open.
Nice tarp. Dang.
Look, they built it right next to set it up next to a turtle hut.
Yeah. Oh, that's not a tarp, that's the rain fly.
Yeah. Yeah, somebody had them.
Someone is leaving their North American knucklehead, leaving their droppings, right?
Yeah, I must have buried them.
Well, the North American knuckleheads left their droppings here, and some fishing gear here, and then a horse left some droppings as well. So there's all kinds of droppings around here. It's pretty wild. The last few times I've been camping and hiking, I run into people. I ran into this person here camping who, last time I was at a campsite, I was leaving and I had an extra bag of charcoal, so I gave it to them. And then here a month later, I run into him again. So it's kind of neat, that camping community. Last time we camped out too, we actually shared a campsite with hunters who both claimed the same site, and we ended up having a really good time. We all got along, and now I have camper from the last time I camped out with my buddies and stuff. and they come up and say, hey, I remember you. You gave me the charcoal. So it's a good community. It's good medicine. Lots of horses here at the campsite this weekend. There's an equestrian group getting together. So it's kind of cool. Love horses, love horse people. So it's good medicine. Well, another adventure comes to an end. Everything must end at some point, but it was good medicine.